Otherwise, we do not do it. And we're not with relationship. It is one of the most important things that we have. We are human beings, we live in relationships. Now, you think, we have this data. You have the data that confirm that if we do pre-marriage course can actually help the relationship. Well, we don't have this amount of data because it's never been taken, it's never been done. So we need to work on that. But there is a lot of institutions and researchers that are very positive on this. I came across this article on Psychology Today, and two researchers declare that couples that go under pre-marriage courses have divorce rate 30% less divorce rate. And the one that actually going to do pre-marriage courses start 80% in a better position. Think about it. Is not maybe a good thing to try and see what's going on?